Did you know your YouTube playlists don't have to be public? If you want to keep your saved videos private and stop others from seeing your playlist, this is the YouTube setting you need to change. Many YouTube users create playlists to organize their favorite videos, tutorials, music, or watch later content. But if your playlist is public, other people may be able to view it. The good news is that you can change its privacy in just a few taps. Let me show you how. So first open the YouTube app and tap You at the bottom of the screen. Now open the playlist you want to change. Tap the pencil added icon. Next, tap the privacy options. You will see three choices. Public means anyone can find and view your playlist. Unlisted means only people with the playlist link can access it. Private means only you can view the playlist. Select private, then tap save. That's it. Your playlist is now hidden from everyone else and can only be viewed from your account. Making of your playlist private give you more control over your YouTube account and protect your personal viewing preferences. It's useful if you save videos for work, study, future projects, or personal interests that you don't want others to see. It also keeps your account more organized while ensuring that only you can access your private collections. So if you found this video helpful, stay connected with my channel Sonic Tech for more Android tricks and smartphone tips. Thanks for watching.